The MLGW truck has been by here 3 times. Keep screaming at them, send for a sand truck, send for a salt truck, something. I've called 454 cops, requested a sand truck. We've got a heavy tow truck coming out for me. If I could get turned around, I could get back to my base, my terminal. Yeah. And look at this. Look at all those people piling up on the ice. They won't be able to go again. I weigh 31,000 pounds empty. There's no way I can get up that. I tried. I had to back down to my position. This is just screwed up. I can't even get turned around because I just start to jackknife. Oh well.